Hey everybody, Darren Sprengler here from SBS, here to introduce you to the Bar Blender from Blendtec. With a whopping 4 horsepower, the Bar Blender is all set to make your smoothies, slushies, and all kinds of beverages at the front of the bar in front of the house. The controls on the Bar Blender are very simple. You have your pulse down below, and you have your flick up for blend. You've got a variable speed setting over here. Basically, when your blend setting, if you have it set on 5, you're going to be blending at a certain speed. If you do pulse, it'll actually pulse a little bit faster yet. So if you're 10, your max setting on blend will be a little bit slower than what your pulse will be. Now the controls are really unique in that they're ingressed in, so that's easier for the operator to see and look down and use. So the Bar Blender comes with this great base. It's nice and solid and firm. Comes with a wild side jar, our innovative jar that blends more product faster. This is a fantastic jar, as well as this beautiful cone lid. The lid's designed where you can add product midstream. So if you're doing a blend and you have a product going through and it gets thin enough and you want to add a liquid after the fact, you can pour it in through the cone in the top and blend it during the cycle. Even though this is our most economical blender, there's been no sacrifice in quality. The housing is amazing. The drive socket is welded to the motor, and it's a hardened steel. So you get the most power to the blades possible from any blender. Price point wise, this is one of our most economical blenders, but it still comes with Blendtec's amazing warranty. That's 3-year parts, 1-year labor, and a year replacement still on the jars. The Bar Blender from Blendtec is a super innovative, easy to use, economical blender with a ton of horsepower. It's up to blending anything you need blended up in the front. If noise is not a concern, this one will do the job.